right, next rule, power of powers. So powers of powers are like when you take a whole monomial here, x to the second, and you're going to raise it to another power. It's like you've got double powers, okay? Kind of like the Hulk. No? Bad joke? Sorry. All right, so x squared to the third power. When you see a power to power, you're going to multiply those exponents together. In order to simplify them, you're going to multiply the exponents. And that will simplify it. All right, so we have x squared to the third power. We're going to take those two exponents, we're going to multiply them together. So if you simplify this, you get, oops, that's wrong, x to the sixth power. That's it, okay? Power of monomials. You're going to take this entire term, just like I was trying to show you up here. You are going to multiply the exponent, oops, by every term. Underline every term, okay? So everything in the parentheses in this monomial is going to be given that fourth power. So it's an extension of rule number 2. Before, let me see if I can cover this up. Before, no I can't. All we had, I'm going to get rid of that, see what I did there? All you had was y to the third power to the fourth power. Okay, now you're going to have to take this fourth power and give it to every single thing in the parentheses, like backwards distributive property. So let me show you what that looks like. So if you were to distribute that to every single thing, we'd get 2 to the fourth power. Okay. Now what do we do when we multiply a power to a power? We're going to do x squared to the fourth power. You're just going to multiply the exponent. So we get x to the 8th power. And then y to the third power to the fourth power would give you y to the 12th, because we multiply those exponents. So you're multiplying the exponents, and then you're just tagging that on to the coefficient, the number outside. Now this is almost done. It's not quite there because you have to do 2 to the second power. So, 2 to the fourth power. So what that means is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, or you can plug it into your calculator. So you get 16. So this would simplify to be 16 x to the 8th, y to the 12th. All right. I'm going to ask that you guys try this last one. It's just like this one. Remember, this second power has to go to every single